everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. So, our Tekri excursion is still continuing and we are in Kerala. So, Kerala is such a big state, but we are exploring only a quarter of it. Remember that. There's not going to be a single boring moment in Tekri because there are a lot of things like tea trails, tribal dance, Kathakali dance, Kalari fight, as well as the visit to a spice garden. So we'll visit all these places right now in this video. So keep on watching because it's very interesting. The Kalari fight is just like Bahubali fight.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice dance.
Hey, I noticed that a lot of you guys watching me have still not subscribed to me, so please subscribe immediately. So here we are at the tribal dance. So during my stay at Tekri, I had the opportunity to witness an hour-long dance performance of the Paliyan and Manan dancers. It included a session on the history of these tribal community. This program is organized at the Vanashri Auditorium from 6 to 7 p.m. every day. So every evening you can just walk to this place and you can see all the stuff happening over here because all the activities happen in this vicinity.
The first and largest tiger reserve in Kerala and one of the...
So ticket is around rupees 200 per person. So I have just put a few clips of the dance performance. These are the hunting scenes which they are depicting through their dance. And it was an amazing thing to watch. At the end of the program, one can also get a chance to pose for photographs with the performers. So here I am happily posing with the tribals, and these guys are college going guys and they do some multitasking during the evenings for extra pocket money, I guess. So they really performed very well. I was really happy. Now we are at the tea plantation and this is Connemara Tea Factory. The neatly cut and shaped trees are a wonderful sight to watch, isn't it? And a beautiful place to click pics and make videos. So this is Connemara Tea Factory. The tea factory is situated on the Tekri Alappe road in the Vandi Periyar area of the Idukki district. The picturesque tea gardens surround the factory. The ticket over here is worth rupees 100 per person. First we took a walk along the tea gardens and plantations by ourselves. And we can explore the place around. It's really beautiful, it's very cool and really shady. It's an amazing place to walk around. So we have this guided tea trail with factory visit.
And Darjeeling.
North India, by the English. Okay. And here in Kerala, again later,
You can even do the tea picking, the tea leaves. So even that is very exciting. You can do that totally in the tea plantation. So our guide explains to us everything about plucking as well as preparing tea, and it's really a wonderful experience. This trail really guides us about tea and gives us a lot of knowledge about it, and how to make tea is also an important experience. So the tour started with a slideshow about how tea is grown, an entire life cycle from being a leaf on the branch to being packed in the covers ready for dispatch. So it was really fascinating. Later we were shown the real art of tea making in a small cup. Pure black tea with no milk, no sugar, but surprisingly it tasted divine because of the freshness of the tea leaves, I think. But it was amazing. So there were many French people too who really were interested in these tea making and tea garden plantations, and they really love Kerala. That's what they told me. And it was a wonderful afternoon spent over here at the tea plantation. We could not film the tea factory visit because it was not allowed, but the visit was amazing. We can see exactly how the tea is made. After this, I went to this Kathakali show. These gripping episodes of Kathakali was so entertaining. It starts from 5 to 7 pm. All the shows are in the venues in the vicinity itself, and it costs rupees 250 per person. I had seen these Kathakali dances only on television, and this is the first time I'm watching it live. I was so excited. So the next visit was next morning, which was to the Spice Garden. So we are at the Spice Garden right now. The next morning, here we get to see wide range of spices like cardamom, pepper, cloves, cinnamon. So these are peppercorns, guys, and it's really amazing to see all these on the plants because I've never seen them before on plants. I've just seen them in my jars in the kitchen. So watching them like this was a real treat, especially for kids. You should bring kids and they should experience all this, and it's really important because they should see how the herbs and fruits and vegetables are grown on plants, especially the spices, because we never see spices. I really like this experience a lot. Look at these jackfruits hanging over here. Aren't they so amazing? I really love them. You can see jackfruits almost everywhere, even on the roads in Kerala. It's really a rich place, I believe. And these are the bananas, and I really loved watching all these. So you can even see herbs like aloe vera, red sandal, amla, lemongrass, eucalyptus, etc., and fruits and wide range of flowers too. So we are taught to identify the specific trees too. We are shown different leaves and how to smell it and etc. Here we even got to ride an elephant. When I was watching the Kalari fight, I found it just like Bahubali fight. It was so exciting. Even I tried my hand on the sword. Now I am at the Kalari Payattu, which is the Kalari fight. So Kalari Payattu is the oldest of martial arts and is a gift to the modern world and known as the mother of all martial art. Legend traces this art form to sage Parasurama, the master of all martial art forms. Kung Fu, which is popularized by the monks of the Shaolin Temple, traces its ancestry to Bodhi Dharma, an Indian Buddhist monk and Kalari Payattu master. So the cost for entry over here is approximately rupees 250 per person. And you will be amazed at the flexibility and agility of Kalari artists as they showcase astonishing forms of self-defense through Kalari Payattu. So as you can see, it's not an easy task. This training demands a lot of dedication, discipline and devotion. So you can see it's really tough, and as the drums beat, they increase their speed. So that is how it is done. I really found this very amazing. And when you're watching this live, you feel really excited and thrilled, and you are at the edge of your seats while you're watching this. This fire show too is really good. So even I held their swords and it was really amazing, and their swords were really sharp. So all these arms and ammunitions I was touching for the first time in my life, and I was really amazed. I really complimented them for their skills, and this is what I really loved. So all these experiences were amazing. I really enjoyed it. I had all these memories with me all these years, and now I'm sharing them with you. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now it was time for me to return back. So next morning I drove back again to Kochi to catch my flight back to Mumbai, and that was the end of my Kerala trip, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a quarter of Kerala which we saw. There is more to see in Kerala. And also I'll be making a proper food trail for y'all, so that y'all know exactly what to eat when y'all are traveling in Kerala, because we love food. So keep watching, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.